Good morning vlog. Good morning Toronto. Today is the day of the trip. We're going to Colombia. We're leaving today. So we're gonna have a full day of traveling. It is 6:30 a.m. maybe like close to 7. We're just finalizing all like their packing details. It's always like construction going on. Never a quiet moment. It's still early, okay? I haven't formulated all my thoughts yet. We have a plan, we have a game plan, I just can't think of it at the moment. Our game plan is to work out. We're gonna start with like a nice like ab and a stretch morning. Whoa, this is like huge. Oh, I felt that crack. Oh, man, I feel this already.
This is the warm-up home.
What? We should do upper.
We are not doing that. That's literally what we did yesterday. But like more fucked up. I just feel like
This workout is just so intense.
bitch, don't tell them. Feel like we just finished our workout. It was very difficult.
2, 3, 4, 3. That was so intense. What was worse, the butt or the arms?
But for sure.
For me, it's the upper body. It kills me.
Yeah.
Alright, so post-workout, I'm going to get coffee. His apartment has one of the nicest views from the elevator that I've like ever seen. I'm sorry, I just don't feel well. Thank you so much. And then can I get a straw as well? Stop taking the movie.
You actually watch Holiday?
Is it good?
No, it's too Christmas. I have Mean Girls.
I like Mean Girls.
Oh, but I should no.
Seen it too many times.
Yeah, I feel like the House Bunny or something like that.
Have you seen Matilda?
Yeah, but we're not watching Matilda.
Kids movie. My camera does this thing, look, where it's like films us like upside down.
Oh, that's so dumb.
No, but it's because I broke it.
Oh.
I was like, don't worry, I brought a camera and it's fucking broken. Let's go. I think our Uber's pulling up. We're going to Colombia. well. Like when they were checking my bag, apparently I brought a fucking wine opener that I forgot to take out.
Insert the flat metal free of charge.